Everybody, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs, and an even warmer welcome to this. When I say this, I feel like Doug DeMuro. What we got rocking here is a 2022 brand new Range Rover Sport Supercharged. It's the P525 with the supercharged V8. And today we're gonna make this sound like an F-type SVR. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be deleting both the resonators and putting in our Universal Valved Mufflers in place of the factory exhaust mufflers in the rear. We're gonna get it over to the shop, remove everything, put the X-pipe in, weld it all up, put the valve mufflers in, wire the controller, and ensure that this Range Rover sounds even better than an SVR. This car is about $30,000 less than an SVR, but we're gonna make sure that we embarrass those SVR owners with how good this sounds. Stay tuned, we're gonna walk you through the process. Get ready for some serious sound, let's do it. Down here is the kit that we're going to be using for this Range Rover Supercharged. We have two mufflers. Of course, the valves are upright and inverted, left and right sides. Inside our control box here, we have our vacuum pump, vacuum tubing, key fob, and our power wire. So we're going to wire all this up, show you all the steps, and make it sound incredible. All right, guys, we're at the shop right now. The Range Rover is up on the lift. The guys are doing a phenomenal job here. Put the X-pipe in, run the straight pipes all the way back. This will delete the front end, well, this will delete both middle resonators. And then the valve mufflers are gonna go in the rear as such. Might be a little bit of an angle here in the tips, but should look good. It'll look super OEM under the car and give that fresh look. And of course, that great sound. On the ground here, you can see these are the original resonators. This is the front, this is the rear, and you can see the original muffler boxes here. You can see, I mean, look at how small these are. Big suitcases off, Valvetronic mufflers in. Let's keep the process going. So guys, this is one of the big reasons we recommend finding a shop who really knows what they're doing. So we just spoke to the guys, and the customer might want to do the high flow 200 cell race bypass pipes on this. So they're going to make a section here that'll be clampable so the customer is able to swap the down pipes out whenever they choose. So really recommend working with a shop who's very, very capable and who can really think through this process. All right, guys, so the Range Rover is all complete here. We have the mufflers tucked up. Wanted to get these up as far away as possible from the underside of the vehicle, so they're at a little bit of an angle. All the way back, we have our X-pipe up front. The guys did a really nice job here. This has actually been clamped on, so in case the customer wants to run our 200 cell race bypass pipes, he's able to do so, and we can just unbolt this, put the new front section on, and then re-bolt everything up. So got that, which is great. Clamps here, the piping back is 2.5 inch. Have our large cross-section X-pipe that should give us some good sound. It's gonna be aggressive, but it's not gonna be raspy, which will be good. Mufflers up here, and now we'll show you guys how to install the controller harness, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, so coming back up top here, we have the vacuum lines mostly run. We're gonna button up all this area in a second, but wanted to show you underneath, the vacuum is plugged in, and we have all under here, there's a grommet, which you can see right there. This is the vacuum line here, and we just use the T-splitter right there. Split the lines off, and now we're gonna connect everything up to the vacuum box. Put back the rear valence here, just with these two screws, and then everything will look perfectly OEM. No signs of modification. The only way you're gonna know is you're gonna hear this sound. Stay tuned. Now I wish you guys were here to listen to how good this sounds. No drone in the cabin. The valves really work phenomenally well. The big thing with these V8 supercharged Range Rovers is you get a valves closed kind of rushing sound when they're on some other mufflers, but on ours we've optimized so that's not a problem. Take a listen.